a missing letter? Oh no!
Get ready to solve the mystery.
Hello? What? A letter is missing again? It's spotted on the roof? I need backup. Kailey! It's an emergency. A letter is in trouble. Meet me on the roof.
I'm on my way, soldier.
Is this a tune? I am always in a team. Another clue I use when you tick someone. No, when you tick someone. Two clues. Ready? This one first. You'll find me on a tree. Whoa. Look high, I might be tired.
I see it. It's T. Poor thing.
Call the doctor.
Hello. Have you found the letter? I'm on my way, guys. I'm on my way.
Come, doctor. The letter T is hurt. Come.
Oh my, the letter T really looks hurt.
Ouch!
He was just tired, guys. He's going to be okay.
Hooray!
We rescued the missing letter.
Teamwork saves the day. Today we learned about the letter T.
We use words like tired, tick, team, and tree. All those words begin with the letter T. We also learned teamwork and how to solve problems together.
ABC treasure hunt continues. And now it's safe for the letter T to return to the alphabet team.
Don't forget to like,
Share and subscribe.
See you next time.